Today we're gonna make our Thanksgiving turkey and stuffing made out of these. Thanksgiving. So far we have done our appetizers, our dessert, our side. Now it's time for our turkey and stuffing. So last year I found a recipe online for White Castle stuffing and I tried it and it was amazing. Everyone liked it. We were in Puerto Rico last year. So we had like Thanksgiving for people who weren't going home for Thanksgiving is what we did. We had a few people at the house that we were staying at and everybody loved this stuffing. So I'll show you how to make this. Just gonna start just cutting my White Castles into pieces. I got frozen ones. You can get, if you get the ones, like if you go to White Castle and get a crave case, make sure you get it without pickle because I think that'd be gross. And I love pickles. So it is 1 slider per pound of turkey is what is recommended. So I have a 20-pound turkey. So we got 20 sliders here. And once this is all chopped up, we're just gonna do this just like, actually, it might be quicker, just rip it. We're gonna do this just like any other stuffing. I was going to put some celery in it, and I got the celery out to chop it up. My celery had gone bad, so it's all right. Not a big fan of cooked celery anyway, so it's not a huge loss. Slider buns everywhere. We bought the frozen ones, like I said, so I've tried to get them thawed out a little bit. I was going to make oyster dressing. Did you guys ever had oyster dressing? That was what my mom always made. That was what we had every year when I was a kid and I loved it. But that's kind of an acquired taste and I didn't think either one of the kids or kids for that matter would really like it. So I know this is good. We got our last, I think I needed a bigger bowl, my goodness. And the last ones here, we get them all. These already have the onions on them, so you don't have to add any onion. I am going to put some pepper. Oops, I am knocking stuff over. Some garlic powder. Just a little bit of salt because these have a lot of salt in them. A little bit of onion powder. What else do I have over here? I just kind of have a lot of stuff here that I want to do. Some oregano. We're putting oregano in this because we bought sage at the grocery store. We got it from the section that said sage. And then we got home and it was oregano. So to the person who put the oregano in the sage slot, thank you. A little bit of chicken broth here. And I have a spoon to mix this with, but I just think my hands is going to be the best way to go. And this is 1 slider per pound if you're stuffing your turkey. If you're not stuffing your turkey, you can, you know, make as little as you want. I like a stuffed turkey. I think there's a lot of people who will tell you it's not a good idea to stuff your turkey, but I think everything tastes a little bit better that way. Alright, So for the outside of our turkey, I have a bowl here. Oops. There it is. I'm gonna put some olive oil in my bowl, and then we're gonna put our seasonings in here. Same ones we used in the stuffing. The only thing I'm gonna add extra to this, whoa, is not that much cayenne. Maybe like that much cayenne. I've recently discovered that I like cayenne pepper a lot. So, oregano. Onion. And garlic. What else do we have over here? We had salt and pepper somewhere. Salt and pepper's here. Sorry. Alright. Do you see the salt? Salt, salt. I have salt somewhere. Salt. Alright. Now, I like to get up under the skin of my turkey. When you get, there it is. When you get up under the skin, you kind of separate it from the meat. That's how you get a really good crispy skin. I put butter under the skin. But when we started, I was like, oh no, I didn't get my butter out of the freezer. So I've seen people grate their butter before. So I was like, I wonder if that works. It totally works. So I've got some grated butter here. And I really think that from now on, when I am rubbing something down with butter, this is gonna be the way I do it. Because you get these really neat little, pieces of grated butter. So we're gonna take this butter, it's butter baby, and first, we're gonna kind of separate the skin from the meat so we can get all up in there. Goodness. I was gonna dry brine the turkey this year because I've been seeing a lot of stuff on Instagram about dry brining. And then I lost my nerve because I was afraid. We don't like a lot of salt. So I was really afraid that it was just gonna be way too salty and we weren't gonna like it and I wasn't ruining a Thanksgiving turkey. So we are going to, I got a little chicken in the freezer. So I'm gonna try the dry brine on a little chicken when I make that. Because if that's not good, then that's okay. Alright. Got that nice and separated there. So we're just going to take our butter up in here and we're going to massage this turkey with the butter. And this is going to help the meat stay nice and moist. It's going to help the skin get nice and crispy and brown and delicious. Hitch doesn't really like the skin, so he doesn't care if it's crispy and brown and delicious or not. I do. Tech. Oh my goodness. She has big knees. We're gonna sorta tuck our wingtips in. Sorta. Oh my goodness. Maybe we'll just tuck them under. Just turkey can sit on its wings or something. Okay. All right. So now we are ready to. Oh no, we're not. Yeah, we'll go ahead and stuff first. So we're gonna take our stuff in here. We're gonna stuff this bad boy. I really would think for a 20-pound turkey, the insides would be bigger than this, but I guess not. I don't think all of this stuffing is gonna fit in this bird. So now that we have it stuffed, I'm gonna take this mixture that I made over here, my olive oil and my seasonings, and I'm just gonna rub, excuse me, I'm just gonna rub the skin of this turkey, the wings, the thighs, the legs, the breast, all of this. Got a good massage. Woo! Wash my hands really fast. Alright, so that's it. So I'm going to take the rest of this stick of butter, and I think I have some more butter over here. And I'm just going to kind of lay them down in the pan, and they're just going to kind of melt as the turkey bakes. And it's going to help make everything really moist, juicy, and delicious. I make really good turkey, guys, so like seriously, you should make this turkey. And then we're going to wrap it in foil. And we're going to put this in the oven. So this is a 20-pound turkey. This is going to take, oh, I don't know, 4.5 to 5 hours. It needs to be at 165 degrees at the breast. That's where you test it, is in the breast. So we're going to wrap it tightly in the foil. I recommend that you do not buy foil at the dollar store like we did, because this is like aluminum foil tissue paper. But the stores are packed, and to be honest with y'all, it's COVID season, so I'm not trying to be in the store a whole lot. Running to the dollar store to get something is a lot easier than going to the grocery store. So because now this weighs more than 20 pounds, I'm going to have Hitch come put this in the oven, and we will see y'all back in like 4.5 hours so you can see this beautiful bird that I've made.
Just open the oven for me?
Yep. Tell me when you're ready.
Okay.
Alright, so it's been about 5 hours. This took around 4 to come to temperature, and then I took the foil off and we let it get brown. So everything is ready. I'm going to cut this turkey, get some of the stuffing out, and I'm gonna make my plate. So we're just gonna slice a little bit off the breast here because, well, I'm not real good at carving a turkey, so we're gonna let Hitch carve the turkey. Oh, it's still very hot. Very juicy. You see the juices. Get some of that good skin on there. Oh my goodness, guys, I can't wait for this. And then I get some of this stuffing. I have a tiny bit of vegetables on my plate because they just take up room for the good stuff. Alright. While the turkey was baking, Hitch made some of his famous sweet potatoes. Famous. Are they right here?
Yes.
Oops. I'll just put a little plop of those on the plate, you see. Oh, and the counter. Goodness. Alright, sweet potato. What else do we have? Oh, we made this macaroni and cheese the other day. You remember the macaroni and cheese we made? So we put that in the refrigerator. And today, all I had to do was take it out, pop it in the oven before everything was completely done. Give it about 15 minutes in the oven. And it's warm and gooey like we just cooked it today. And I don't think I have room. There's always room for mashed potatoes. That's ridiculous. I think I need one more spoon. That'll do. There's already a spoon in it, so we'll just use that one. There's a fork in here, so we're gonna use that. And I did not make gravy. We bought a jar of gravy because, I'll be completely honest with you, I did not feel like making gravy. It's a giblet gravy. It's really good though. Alright, so I have my plate. Looks yummy. I really just want to try this stuffing. I know what turkey tastes like. I know what the stuffing tastes like too, but it's really good. I gotta find it now. There we go. Is that some? Yeah. You can't even tell those are White Castles, honestly. It's just really good. I've got some eggnog. I'm not a fan of eggnog, but we put some Fireball in this one, and this is really good. So, like, comment, subscribe. We are not having Thanksgiving on Thanksgiving, so if y'all got turkey questions, I'll be on Instagram. Send me a message, ask me your turkey questions. I think that's all I have. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe, and I will see you next time. Bye.